Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. As you guys can see by the title of today's video, we are doing yet another business video to help you guys grow and excel your online businesses. Did not see my previous video on 5 ways to market your business in 2021. I'm going to link it up here so you guys can go ahead and watch that video. But if you did see that video, then I mentioned in that video that I was going to do a whole another video on ambassador marketing, because I believe that this is one of the reasons after my business went viral on TikTok. This is one of the reasons that my sales increased drastically, because I started using ambassador marketing. I knew about ambassador marketing because I am an influencer, but I never implemented it on my own website because I didn't really know much about it. But after I started doing my research, I found a platform, a host for my ambassadors, and this platform works amazing, and it's pretty much like self setup. Everything else goes by itself. You don't have to do anything once you set it up the first time. Okay, so those of you who are new to ambassador marketing, what ambassador marketing is when you allow people to represent your brand, like everyday basic people who actually love and support your business. You're allowing these people to use word of mouth and their platforms. They could be big influencers or smaller influencers, or just like everyday people who have simple Instagrams or simple Facebooks or TikToks. So you're allowing these people to market your products and talk about your products. The good thing about this is that these people genuinely love your products. So it doesn't feel like an ad. It doesn't feel like forced. Like if you were marketing a Facebook ad to a bunch of people, it wouldn't feel like, oh, this is this, oh, you should buy this. No, it feels genuine. It feels authentic when a person actually loves your product and they want to help you and they just want to be a part of your brand's growth. So this is why ambassador marketing is absolutely amazing for any business. Stop! So now that I got you guys' attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free and it supports me. It helps me to keep producing these type of free videos for entrepreneurs like me and entrepreneurs like yourself. Back into the video. Ambassadors are literally walking billboards for your company, because not only are they going to be repping your company and advertising and marketing for your company online, they're also going to be doing this in person, thus word of mouth marketing your business and talking about how amazing your products are and how much they love your brand and how much they love you. This is what's so amazing about ambassador marketing. So as a small business, it's literally our ultimate goal to generate more sales and to gain exposure for our brands. And this is where the ambassadors come in and they help us with that. And it's not technically paying a bunch of money like as if you would have to pay an influencer. So when you market your company using ads, this is going to lack the element of trust. People are more likely to trust someone that they know if they are talking about a product that they actually like and love. As to where if you're running Facebook ads, it's an ad. Like, people don't believe in ads for some reason, even though it's an actual product and the product may work and it may do good service. People just most likely don't believe in ads. They're more likely to trust somebody that they know and they know that they use the product and they believe this person. So they're more likely to trust ambassadors over ads. So now that you guys know about ambassador marketing, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the platform that I use for my ambassador marketing. Again, I want you guys to increase sales. I want you guys' businesses to blow up. So everything that I know, I'm going to teach to you guys. And if I learn something something new, I'm gonna teach that to you guys also, because I feel like the world is such a large place and there's a room for everybody to eat. So if there's something that I know, I'm definitely going to fill you guys in. So I am currently using the ConvertOut app. It's an app on Shopify and you can easily install the app. And once you install it, you set it up, you even get a page for your website where you can direct your ambassadors, or for people who want to become ambassadors, even if it's family members. Like, everybody wants to make some type of money. So even if it's family members, you can direct them to this page. They can sign up and get an ambassador code. And what this code does, they get a % off the products. They also earn a commission from when someone else makes a purchase using their code. Like, who does not like to earn money? The cool part about this is if you have a cool brand, like my brand is super cute, super fun. Like, who would not want to promote a super cute, fun brand? Young girls, older girls. So by them promoting, even if they're not shopping on my store, even if they just love my store and like what I do and what I'm about, they can make a code and just repost pictures that I post on my page on the House of Glitters. They can post that on their page. They can share on their profiles and just include their coupon code, and they will earn money. And they didn't even purchase from the store. They just did that. They could have did it just to make money, or they could have did it because they want to actually support my business. It doesn't matter, because it's generating you money. And then from them having a coupon code, it's probably going to make people that they know want a coupon code. So everybody's going to have coupon codes, and they're going to be referring your business, and they're also going to be earning money all at the same time. So everybody's happy. It's literally a win-win situation. The ConvertOut app allows you to track whoever signs up on your website, whatever ambassadors sign up on your website. You can track how many ambassadors you have. You can track how many times their code was used. You can track their payouts, and the payouts are sent through PayPal, so nothing's ever like coming from your bank account. Most of all, this app is free. I use the free version. I have not upgraded to the paid version yet. I feel like the free version is good enough for me until I want to like up my game and do the paid version. I'm using the free version for now. So I definitely encourage you guys to try it out. And if you're not using ConvertOut and you actually have a ambassador program, let me know in the comments what program you're using for your ambassadors. If you guys are not using any platform for ambassadors, or you don't have ambassadors, I definitely recommend it. Like I said, who does not want to make money? It's such an easy way to make money. You can just sign up on the ambassador page, give your code to family and friends. When they purchase, then you will earn a commission. And you can also set your percentage as to how much % the person is earning per order that they get from their coupon code. So I love the whole ambassador marketing. That's why I had to do a whole complete separate video on it, because I feel like it's such an amazing thing to have. Like, back in the days, we did not have stuff like this, but now we have it. So I think it's important to use. And definitely like post videos on TikTok about your ambassador program. TikTok tends to let videos go viral. So if your ambassador video goes viral, you're gonna get a bunch of ambassadors, and they're going to generate you sales, and they're also going to be making money. Again, win-win situation. Okay guys, that's going to be it for today's ambassador marketing video. Make sure you come back to my channel next Monday. I post every Monday and Thursday, so you guys can see what new video I have in store for us entrepreneurs. So until next time guys, have a blessed day. Peace and much love. Bye guys.